Imagine a world where fresh, clean water is a scarcity. What if technology could change that narrative? Welcome to 4th Industrial Avenue, your gateway to tomorrow's tech today. We're about to journey into the world of sustainable water technologies, a realm where the future of our most precious resource is being rewritten. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is under threat from pollution, climate change, and population growth. Ensuring everyone has access to clean and safe water is becoming an increasing challenge. But fear not, for in our hands, we hold the power to change the tide. In the face of adversity, innovation thrives. And one such innovation that's making a splash is desalination. This process, which transforms seawater into drinkable water, is a beacon of hope in the stormy seas of water scarcity. Today we take a deep dive into one such technology that's making waves in sustainable water solutions: desalination. Desalination, a scientific marvel, turns the abundant seawater into fresh, drinkable water. But how does it work? At its core, desalination is a process that removes salts and minerals from seawater, transforming it into something we can safely consume. Picture a giant, sophisticated filter separating the salt from the H2O, leaving us with pure, thirst-quenching water. This technology is a game-changer for places where fresh water is scarce, but seawater is plentiful, such as coastal cities and arid regions. Now, let's dive a little deeper into one of the most promising advancements in desalination: reverse osmosis. Imagine pushing seawater through a superfine mesh that only allows water molecules to pass, entrapping salt and other impurities. That's reverse osmosis in a nutshell. Seawater is forced through a semi-permeable membrane, a kind of molecular sieve, that filters out the salt and other contaminants, giving us clean, drinkable water. But as with any great innovation, there's a catch. Traditional desalination processes can be energy-hungry and expensive. It's a bit like running a marathon. It requires a lot of energy and resources to reach the finish line. But what if we could make this process more efficient and environmentally friendly? This is where renewable energy-powered desalination and advanced materials come into play. By harnessing the power of the sun, wind, or even waves, we can significantly decrease the environmental footprint and cost of desalination. Think solar-powered desalination plants that use solar panels to generate the electricity needed for the process, making it both sustainable and eco-friendly. And let's not forget about the role of advanced materials like graphene. Graphene membranes are incredibly efficient at filtering out salts and require less energy to operate compared to traditional methods. It's like having a superpower that allows us to create cleaner water at a lower cost and with a smaller environmental impact. So, we're not just talking about theoretical innovations here. This is the future of sustainable water technology, and it's already making waves. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this fascinating topic in the next scene. Harnessing the power of the sun, wind, or waves, we can drastically cut the environmental footprint and cost of desalination. Let's dive deeper into renewable energy-powered desalination. Imagine a desalination plant where the electricity needed to operate is generated by solar panels, wind turbines, or even wave energy converters. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality. By coupling desalination with renewable energy, we're not only making the process more sustainable, but also more cost-effective. Now, let's move on to another exciting innovation: advanced materials like graphene. Picture a membrane so thin yet so strong that it can filter out salts from seawater efficiently and with less energy. That's what graphene does. These membranes are not just efficient, they're also durable, reducing the need for frequent replacements and further cutting down the operational costs of desalination. But what's the real-world impact of these innovations? Well, they're already being put to use. Countries like Israel, Saudi Arabia, and Australia have begun integrating these advanced technologies into their desalination plants. These nations are harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and waves, and using advanced materials like graphene to turn abundant seawater into a reliable source of fresh water. These innovations are revolutionizing the way we think about water scarcity. They're showing us that, with the right technology, we can tap into the vast reservoirs of the sea and secure a sustainable water future for all. And isn't that a refreshing thought? Desalination, backed by renewable energy and advanced materials, is a significant leap in sustainable water technology. It's a game-changer, transforming abundant seawater into drinkable fresh water, even in the most arid regions. This innovation is not just a theory, it's in use today. securing water supplies for millions across the globe. With technology turning seawater into a reliable source of fresh water, we're ensuring a clean water future.